Paint bubbling or blistering on your walls is usually a sign that moisture is sneaking in and causing trouble behind the scenes. So, first things first, you gotta figure out where the moisture is coming from. Like, is it from a leaky roof, busted pipes, or maybe just super high humidity? Once you spot the culprit, fix that moisture problem as soon as possible, because no amount of paint will stick if water's still hanging around. After that, grab a scraper or putty knife and carefully pop off all those bubbles or blisters, making sure you remove any loose paint. Then, sand the area smooth so your new paint doesn't look all bumpy. Before you slap on fresh paint, use a primer designed to block moisture and help with adhesion. When picking paint, go for something made for bathrooms or kitchens, since those usually fight moisture better. Don't forget to let everything dry completely between steps. Patience here pays off big time. Honestly, keeping your home well ventilated also helps prevent this kind of paint drama from coming back. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with paint bubbling or blistering is ignoring the root cause, like the moisture problem itself. Fixing the leak or humidity issue first can save you a ton of headaches later. Another common issue is not removing all the loose paint before repainting. If you miss spots, the bubbles just come back faster than you think. Be thorough with scraping and sanding. Finally, skipping primer or using the wrong kind can ruin your repaint job because regular paint won't stick well to damaged surfaces. Always use a good quality primer meant for moisture-prone areas. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who really know how to handle stuff like paint problems and moisture repairs. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and grow their business without all the usual hassle.